Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.